Hi everyone. This is going to be a quick video on how to make a really clean YouTube video that you can share with your kids in your class. Um, we want to get rid of ads and the banners and any kind of comments and the end pages. So I've kind of pieced together a bunch of different YouTubes that I've learned on how to clean these up so that when they get added to Seesaw or Google Classroom, you're not getting a lot of the unsavory things that you don't want the kids to see, and this should keep them very safe for the kids. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to either your YouTube channel or you're going to go to another site of information that you would like to share with your kids. I'm in my YouTube channel. These are a bunch of the videos that I've produced for my distance learning. I'm going to select the fish loop video here. This is the one that I'm going to copy so that I can embed it in Seesaw. Once I've selected my video, I go to share down here. We're going to click on share. Instead of clicking the copy for the URL, we're going to go to the embed button right here. So we're not going to do copy. We're going to go to embed. And that's going to bring us up with some coding. We are going to select a portion of this coding, and it's going to get rid of the other stuff, which is going to put the comments and the ads in. So I'm going to start at the HTTPS. Right after the quotation mark, I'm going to highlight HTTPS, and I'm going to come all the way down to the end of the quotation, and I'm going to stop there. So if you notice, this is there's a quote here and then a quote at the end of it. When you hit frame border, you've gone too far. Once I have that, I'm going to do a right click or a Control C and copy this link. That's all I need from YouTube right now, so I'm going to minimize that. Now I'm in my Seesaw account. I'm going to add a activity for the kids to do. So I'm in activities. I'm going to click the plus button and I'm going to assign an activity. And this is going to embed my instructional video. We're going to go create new activity. And on this page, we're going to come down until you see add multimedia instructions or example. I'm going to select that. And we're going to go to link. This is where we're going to add our YouTube link. Select it. And we're going to paste the link in right here. So I'm going to Control V, paste. Now, we're not going to stop there. We're going to add a tiny bit of coding at the end of this. That's going to dump the end page that has the next video up so that the kids aren't enticed by other videos that you may not want them to see. The code for this is going to be a question mark, then an REL equals 0. So it's question mark, REL equals 0. It goes right at the end of the copied URL that you had. We're going to click a check mark. We're going to click the other check mark up at the top. My video is now attached. Up here, I'm going to write test page with YouTube and XYZ and click save. So when I go to my activity library, here's the assignment that I just made with my video. Let's do a test on it. When I click on my link, it's going to bring me up to its own screen. I'm going to click one more time. This is bringing me into YouTube. Notice there's no banner. There's nothing going on around it. We can play the video for the kids. If you like, you have closed captioning options on this, which is great. But there's nothing showing up around it. So let's talk about the end. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the end of the video, right to the end, so that you can see that when it ends, video ends, and the only page that's up here are my videos. So I'm not getting any other advertisement or material that I don't want the kids to see. These are videos that I've created on my YouTube page. And that's it. So this is a nice clean video, and they shouldn't be seeing anything that you don't want them to see.